Well, you've already seen the segment on the Super Drill and see how you can drill out to a 2-inch hole in steel. Now, if you need to go larger, we have a range here, the ProPack and the Industrial, which will allow you to drill any size out to a 3 and 75mm hole, as long as you have a drill press with a 1 horsepower motor, number 3 Morse taper, and you can come down to 100 RPM to drive it. We'll go through the Industrial first. In this situation, the Industrial works off a 1-inch pilot hole, so you put your 1-inch pilot hole down to start. The shorter of the cutters will allow you to drill any size from 1 to 2 inch. Put the longer cutter in, this allows you to go from 2 to 3 inch. Once you have this cutter in, you then need to put the collar over the body of the drill to support the cutter, and that'll pilot into your 2-inch hole and then take you out to your 3 and 75mm. An added advantage with the Industrial is that you can unscrew the tool holder from the arbor. You can then put an extension in, so then you can drill through up to 8 inches of solid material if you wanted to do that, or you can screw the extension in from the other end and use it for line boring. It's predominantly designed to use in a lathe or a milling machine, the Industrial. It also comes with your setup gauge and your Tommy bar here, and it'll drill any size from 1 inch to 3 inch. Whereas the ProPack, which is this one here, as you can see, comes with its own drill point on the end, and it's designed to work in a magnetic base drill. It drills its own 3/4 pilot hole down. You have a double-sided cutter which will take you out to 1.25 inches, or you also have a short length of cutter which will allow you to go from out to your 1.25 inches or do any size in between. The next length of cutter, which is this one here, will go to your 2.25 inches. The longer length will take you out to your 3 and 75. To do that, you need to push the cutter out the distance you need. The collar will slide over the body of the drill to support the cutter, so in turn it'll go out further. Of course, it comes with a setup gauge, as all our tools do. It comes also with a range of 3 interchangeable arbors. You have your number 3, number 2, and this one here, which is the same configuration as what a slugger or magnetic base drill carries. They're all interchangeable, they just screw out from the back. The spanner in the kit here enables you to remove the drill point. By loosening it off, you can remove the drill point for resharpening or replacement. You can also unscrew the tool holder out of here if you're using it in a vise so it doesn't feed so deeply down into it. You've got the spring steel Tommy bar in the box as well. Your ProPack comes with a spare of each of the cutters, as you can see there. Full operating instructions and recommended speeds are on the lids of both of the boxes. So if you find that the standard Super Drill or the box Super Drill isn't large enough at your 2 inch, your ProPack or your Industrial will then allow you to go out to your 3 and 75mm hole.